Now quickly let's look at the different options we have for this filter on the dashboard. So if you see, we already covered apply to worksheets. So here you can just select worksheets where this filter will be applied, or if you want to put it to the data source, you can put that. And now format, filter, and set controls. So here you can format, you can apply whatever formatting you want to apply. Okay, for example, just a sec, we just click format, filter, and set controls. So here you see this text, the title text, it changed, and the font also you can change. The font also changed. And if you want to change uh, the the body shading, yeah, that you can do here. It became green, and you can change the font also here this way. So I'll roll it back. Okay, so this is one option. Then the other option is where you can edit the title. You can click customize, and customize, you can select this option. So these are all standard options which are set. I don't play with it that. This is show title. If you want to hide title, you can hide the title. You see the company is gone. If I want to bring it back, I will click show title. I can also edit the title. So if I click, so instead of company, I just type company 12. So I can see company 12 here. So I'll roll it back. Now you can select what kind of values, sorry, what kind of prompts you need. These are just like parameter list or filters list. So you can put a single value so that only one value can be selected at a time. You can change it to single value drop down where only one value can be selected from the drop down. You can change it to single value slider. You slide and the values changes. Okay, then you can use multiple value list where you can select multiple. This is by default. You can select multiple values drop down. You can just drop and select multiple values. Then you have multiple values custom list. So this is a custom list that you can create, or you can, you can create your own list also. You can type and create your own list like dbb and add. So it will add this. Okay. um, so and wildcard match, for example, I just type a and press enter. It will give me for Amazon. So this is also possible. I'll roll it back to multiple values list. This was a default. Now let's look at the other options like floating. You can change this to floating. Okay. Or you can bring it back to tiled. If you have to fix the height and width, you can do that, and you can remove it from the dashboard. You can rename it. That's all.